Hello, little friends. Do you know what makes us kind and friendly? It's something super special called good manners. Let's learn about them together. Did you know that some words are like magic? They make people smile and feel good. When you want something, say, please. When someone helps you, say, thank you. When you accidentally bump into someone, say, sorry. Great job. Let's say them together. Ready? Please. Thank you. Sorry. It's time to eat. But wait, do we talk with our mouths full? Nope, we chew with our mouths closed. And we always say thank you when someone gives us food. Don't forget to clean up after eating. Do you like playing with toys? Sharing makes playtime even more fun. Sharing is caring, and we always take turns. If a friend is playing, we ask, "Can I have a turn, please?" That's right. When we share and wait our turn, everyone has fun. Good manners also mean showing respect to our elders, our parents, grandparents, teachers, and older family members. We listen when they talk. We say please and thank you to them, and we help them when they need it. Respecting elders shows kindness and love. When we listen and help, we make them very happy. Good manners also mean being kind to everyone. We use kind words. We listen when others talk, and we help when someone needs it. When we are kind and respectful, we make the world a happier place. Wow, you've learned so much about good manners today. Let's remember. Use magic words. Be polite at the table. Share, be kind, and respect your elders. Now you're a manners superstar. Keep practicing, and remember, good manners make the world better for everyone. Bye-bye, friends.